sa coaster van and we're heading to our tour for today. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa ating, hindi pa naman last na tour for this trip. I will tell you more about our tour later. So ano daw, parang 1.5 to 2 hours drive from Hanoi City. Etong aha na to, sikat din yan. Nag-book na lang kami ng tour sa hotel.
Thank you so much everyone for coming to Vietnam. And I would like to introduce myself. My name is Lanh. That's my Vietnamese name. And you can call me Sunny. It's my English name. Where are you going today, guys?
Ninh Bình.
Ninh Bình, yeah. Why I asked like that? Because I want to make sure that you don't come to the wrong bus, huh? No Sabah, no Ha Long Bay today. Ninh Bình, yeah, beautiful province.
Okay guys, so dito kami sa aming stop. Yan pala yung bus namin. Merong local coffee breakfast, merong kainan dito. Yun lang muna, later ulit. Hello guys, andito kami sa Ancient Capital. Ito yung first stop namin for today's tour. Umulan, pero luckily, tumigil naman siya. Yun nga lang, basa na yung mga daanan. So, this is the ancient city. Ang alam ko, ito yung unang naging city ng Vietnam before yung Hanoi. So, binigyan na kami ng ticket ng aming tour guide. Kasama na ito sa aming tour package.
Everyone, before going inside, I would like to share some major information about it Asian capital. Welcome everyone to come to Ninh Bình and welcome to the Asian capital from 10th century but until 11th century the new king, the new dynasty, he decided to relocate it from Ninh Bình back to Hanoi. You know what does mean Hanoi? It mean river. No, it mean inside. Yeah, so Hanoi is mean a city inside the river, behind the river, and with river. When we come here, I take you come inside and visit the temple of the first king in Vietnam, Dinh Kinh.
Look at the view. Ito yung first capital of Vietnam bago maging Hanoi. Ganda oh. Ang explanation nung tour guide, dito daw talaga nilagay nung first king kasi napapalibutan ng mga mountains. So parang yan yung ginawang barrier. However, nung napalitan yung king, bagsak naman daw ang economy. So hindi maganda for the economy. So yung sumunod na king, dinala naman niya sa Hanoi. So yun yung story. So, ito yung temple ng first king of Vietnam. Doon daw sa kabilang side, yun yung family ng king. Tinanggal na niya yung coat na kasi tumigil na naman yung ulan. Pero mainit. Gusto ko na din tanggalin. Nakapasok na kami sa loob ng temple ng first king of Vietnam. So, sisilipin natin. First king of Vietnam.
After natin ma-explore ang first ancient capital city ng Vietnam, punta naman tayo sa ating next destination.
But not too hot. It's not too hot, huh? Right. Okay, let's see. Enough? Everyone inside you? One more? Okay.
Welcome to Vietnam. Kaya pa.
Andito kami sa first stop na sumakay kami ng bicycle. Dito sa may bridge. Kasi perfect spot daw to for picture taking. Ang super gloomy ng weather. However, ang init. So dito kami magla-lunch after namin mag-biking. Kasama pala ito dun sa tour namin, buffet lunch. So may mga fruits dito. Fried rice, chicken, seafood soup. Tapos dito meron silang fry station. Ang mga fry. Salad station. So, kakain muna ako guys. Later ulit. So, ito naman yung second floor. Part din siya nung buffet. Pero dito kumakain yung mga driver, tour guide. Andyan sila.
yun lang muna for now. Ayan, anak!